Choosing the right settings can speed up the scanning process. As a comparison, we will select A, zero size, 600 dpi resolution, quality optimization. Also soft handling, which slows the way the scanner carefully moves delicate documents. Then scan. This scan took 1 minute, 6 seconds. Changing to a black and white preset changes all the settings. This scan took 9 seconds for the same size media. Changing to 100 dpi and removing soft handling. This scan took 3 seconds. Check if you really need high resolution or full color. Lower resolutions may still pick up adequate information,